No, I don't want to.
Well, too bad. You're going to the Amazon rainforest.
What?
Meanwhile, at the airport...
Hey, I'm gonna need to know how much a round-trip ticket to Brazil costs, because I'm going to the Amazon rainforest in Brazil.
Well, for a round-trip ticket to the rainforest costs about $582.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go to the Amazon rainforest in Brazil.
So how's your trip so far?
Well, I'm just on the plane right now.
Did you remember to pack your shorts? And I see you packed your hat. Hopefully you have the proper attire, because you're going to the rainforest in Brazil.
I do.
Would you like a teddy bear?
No. I'm in Brazil.
Next, please.
I'm gonna need a room to stay in because I'm staying in Brazil.
How many nights are you staying?
1 week? No, 2. 1 or 2? 1 or 2. 1 week and not 3. No, 3.
No, 2.
Not 3. 2, 1 or 2. Oh, 2. Okay, 2. 2.
2.
I'll be staying in Brazil for 2 weeks.
Okay, well, it's about $135 for a nice room, which adds up to about $1,890. Here's your key.
Thanks. Gee, I wonder what the natives do in Brazil.
Well, I can tell you. They do a whole bunch of hunting and fishing and a whole heck of a lot of canoeing and kayaking.
I wonder what I'm gonna drive in the rainforest. Maybe I'll get a Jeep.
Do you need a Jeep?
Yeah.
Because that's what we ride around here through the rainforest. To get one, it costs $50 a day. And you can get your own Grand Cherokee right now.
Sweet. Can I have the key?
Yeah!
So you guys live in raised hut-like houses, right?
It is true, yes.
So what kind of animals are there around here?
Well, this is my pet jaguar right here.
There are also many other animals, such as sloths, various forms of snakes, various forms of human-eating fish, and monkeys. And toucans.
The trees are big.
Yeah, and there's many of them. Trees such as coconut trees, kapok trees, Bengal trees, bamboo trees, and jambu trees. There's also many mangrove forests. Fruit is also a huge selection around the Amazon.
And vegetables.
Yes. So quit reading this microwaving book.
I was reading that.
Well, you're not going to need to microwave around here.
Because you get most of your food from markets. And global warming is a major human impact on the rainforest today.
And microwaves contribute to global warming. I might eat this grape, because everyone around here loves fruit.
That's right, a little bit.
I learned in my travel book that the Amazon River also erodes on riverbeds. It's a non-human impact on the environment over here. Hey, you know, this has been a wonderful trip. I might like to live here.
Well, you know, this is an ideal place to live. The climate stays pretty hot and pretty rainy year-round. To live here, you could live in a nice apartment complex in the city. Or you could live with the natives in the woods.
Oh my god, that sounds so great. Hey, I wonder what my average annual income would be if I actually lived here.
It would be about $4,730 annually.
That's cool. Oops, I bit your carrot.
You sure did.
If I'm actually going to live here, I'm going to need to know at least one random fact about the place.
You know what? We do receive 9 feet of rain annually.
Gee, thanks, mister.
For multiple murders in the Amazon rainforest, I sentence you to lifetime in jail. Ha!
What do you mean? I didn't do anything. What do you mean?
Yes, you did, young man.
I did some bad things in this biome. Well, I guess I had it coming.
He sure did.
Yes, he did.